is a certified flight instructor, and we're going to fly together. I'm very excited. Hi, Andrea.
Hello.
Hi.
So we are going to start the flow. We are going to do the pre-flight. So we are going to follow this, and we want to start from the left and we go around. This one, it says check fuel quantity left and right and oil. So that's what we're going to do first. So I grab this and we are going to get out. Tap 18 gallons, okay?
Okay.
Very good. And then we need to check the oil.
48 gallons total?
I think this one has, usually it's 48. It's like 25, but 48 is usable.
And each 30 minutes you pass one.
Every 30 minutes manually we have to switch from time to time to make it sure that it's balanced.
Yeah, you know, I got it, the cooking clock.
To check the oil, and we just got back, so it's kind of hot.
Yeah, we have Chris here. Oh, hay movimiento militar también.
Oh yeah, everything here. Okay.
7 quarters.
So we want to make sure that we are above 5. So here is, 8, and here we have 6, and it's like right here. So we're okay. We're good.
Great.
And yeah, we don't want to go over. I think we don't want to go over like 7 because it will just like speed it out. So
okay.
And something important, when you close it, don't tie it too much. Okay, just like make sure that it's closed.
Gentle, close, but not
too tight.
Yes.
So that is good. So now we're here. I just want to make sure that everything looks good. That they're not wires.
No smell, nothing.
No smell. Look at here the engine. Excellent. Looks good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we close this and make sure we close it. And just in case if we need oil, so we'll use this one.
Okay.
So check fuel quantity left and right, and oil, we did that. Call for fuel if we need it, we don't need that. Okay, we have the the headset, we have the flight book. Okay, we'll have to take picture of the hubs and takt time to make sure we keep count of the time that we fly.
Sure.
So we'll do that when we get inside. Start checking from left to right, but we'll make sure that the lights are working.
Sure.
So what I'm going to do. Okay, well, we'll check this. We already did, so we're good. Okay, so now, and here we're just making sure that we don't have any nips or
dent or something
like
that.
The propeller. This is good. Here,
it's tight.
Alternator, it's good. It's good.
Muffet also is okay. It looks okay.
We can continue. Just making sure. Again, we are just making sure that everything is looking okay. Nothing.
No crazy smell, no burr. This is the brake liquid, right?
Yes.
Can I open?
You can open it and try to see. Let's see if you can see.